Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your passwords like a pro using Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome and go to Google Password Manager. Here you'll find all your saved passwords in one secure place. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find any saved account. This makes it easy to manage dozens of passwords without scrolling through the entire list. Next, click on any saved account. Here you can view your username, update your password, or edit your login details whenever necessary. If you want to save a new account manually, click the Add button, enter the website, username, and password, and then save it. Now click Checkup from the left menu. Google Password Manager will automatically check your saved passwords and identify any compromised, weak, or reused passwords. If any issues are found, update those passwords to keep your account secure. After that, open Settings and make sure Offer to Save Passwords, Auto Sign-In, and Password Sync are turned on. These settings help keep your passwords secure and available across all your devices, and that's it. You now know how to organize, update, and protect your passwords like a pro with Google Password Manager. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.